Cobcobb Windshield Repair Kit. Auto glass crack repair tools with upgraded repair resin for car windshield crack, crater, chip and scratch. Fixing black. Patented design. Other products cannot fix damage in the margin area, but we can. Our patented repair bracket has an extended arm with an extra positioning threaded hole, which can reach the cracks in margin easily. We also updated the tube pressure system and makes it better to use. Rapid repair for need 20 to 30 minutes. This Windshield Repair Kit repairs your windshield rapidly, preventing damages from spreading. Restore the windshield to nearly brand new condition, 90 to 95%. The effective maintenance lasts longer, hold up to harsh winter or burning summer. Easy to use. Everyone can operate this toolkit easily. Clean and dry the windshield glass surface before repair. Squeeze the resin into the cracks and cover with a cured film. Wait under the sun in 20 minutes. Ultraviolet light in 5 to 10 minutes. Scrape off the residual resin with a blade. Upgraded Kit. We upgraded the exclusive formula, makes it possesses special deep penetrating adhesive ability and good anti-shear property. Its shear strength can be reached to 25 PA, 25% up. The upgraded tube pressure system also helps to offer strong pressure for repair, liquid penetrating the cracks, a powerful vacuum to reduce bubbles during the repair. Safely and widely used. This repair kit is 100% safe to use. It's suitable for all types of laminated windscreen chips and cracks repairment, such as loophole, cobwebs, bullseye, half-moon cracks, star-shaped damage, and combination damage, less than 1 inch 25 mm in diameter. Click the link in the description to get this product.